Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to reset to factory settings the Sony Linkbuds. Let's say you've done some changes in the EQ or some custom functions, something's not working right, you want to reset them to factory, or you just want to send them to someone because you sold them. So for this, what we have to do is insert the earbuds in the case, and remember, click them in, put the left one in, click them in, close the lid, which would literally make them go properly inside, and then we can open the lid and press the button on the back, and we'll see the blue LED go flash first, and we're going to hold this for a little bit. So first we'll have the blue LED. Give it a few seconds. Then after this orange, we will see a green. Once it taps 4 times, basically we can let go. And now this has reset to factory settings. So this basically has made them be like if they were new and they got to you, or if you were going to sell them. That we didn't get the blue LED, which supposedly should have gone on, but it seems that it doesn't do that. Maybe a software update has changed that, or it needs to be updated. But yeah, these are now factory reset. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.